Good morning, good morning, good morning. Come on.
Good morning.
So it is 4 o'clock in the a.m.
The last one.
We are ready to take our first team trip. It's 22 of us. 22, 21? 21 of us going. We're gonna head on to Atlanta, sleep at Atlanta, and then head on to North Carolina. We're super excited. Everybody's so tired. I'm the super hype one because I'm excited. We have goodie bags for everybody. Terrell is not here.
This is the CEO, Donata Skincare.
Kenda is in. She's gonna meet us there.
Okay.
Obi.
I'm right here.
Y'all can put this under you guys' chair. Damar.
What you got to say to the vlog, man?
It's too early.
I know.
Relax.
The first one over here,
On
man.
the way. I was the last one. We're on the way to paradise.
Oh, paradise.
They think we're going to Atlanta. We're going to Atlanta, man. We're driving to Mexico.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Now we stopped somewhere in
Florida. Somewhere in Florida.
Somewhere in Florida right now.
Yeah.
Fort Pierce. Fort Pierce is where we at right now. And then
we're eating already.
That man's eating Dunkin' Donuts. That is Donata's father right there. But we got another 4 hours. We're going straight to Atlanta, eat breakfast, and then that'll be it for today.
That's right.
Okay, let's go eat the hell out of it.
With my own doubts, be free with me. Let's be free
You know what I'm saying? This is a VIP. You know what I'm saying? This is a VIP section. We got TVs, video games. You know, we got the game over there. We got coffee. We got coffee. Yeah, we got the drink. You know what I'm saying? We got beds in the back. Yeah.
She rolling the blunt.
Yeah.
Twan, what you gotta say to the people?
Well, you know, a little breakfast shake. Got my almond milk. You know what I'm saying?
I see.
Got to keep it clean real quick.
Hey guys, I don't know where we are, but we're at. Well, how many times you stopped already? Stopped twice already.
Yeah.
For what? A 9-hour trip. We probably don't stop one more time, but we're having a great time. Some people are taking some shots here to enjoy the rest of the road, and we're just living it up.
Here's our next stop.
Our next stop is hopefully Atlanta.
Okay.
Yeah.
Urban Eden.
Urban Eden, yay!
Damn, that's where it's at.
Company shirts that we're gonna wear to Urban Eden.
Right.
Donata, our symbol, and it says Donata, mind, body, skin, and hair. The 4 topics I'd like to talk about.
Bam.
Taking it off now. But it's cool. It's cool now. You know what I'm saying? Let me know when you ready.
I'm ready.
Oh, okay. You know what I'm saying? Dolphins, sharks, whales. Listen.
Tidal waves.
Him right there now. Y'all hear the haters in the back?
Oh Lord.
I don't see anything.
Hey, them boys.
You see it?
Mr. Joseph. Hey, this swim with advisory, you know what I'm saying?
Oh shit.
Come with a pram, so you feel me? And you see the drip now. Good D. Yeah, I don't even gotta say the rest.
Okay, sir.
I don't even gotta say the rest. I'm still swimming now, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I don't even go show the back. That's my light spot. That's all I gotta say.
I see you.
That's all I gotta say.
2 hours later.
Oh hell nah. Urban Eden had the nerve to say that they have the best natural soap. Nah.
They said, what? They tried you?
They tried me.
Let's pull up.
You know we gonna bounce out, right?
Let's pull up.
Urban what?
Urban My son gave me some boxing gloves right on time. I don't know how to put them on. Twan, help me.
Let's get ready to rumble!
So we finally made it to Urban Eden.
Yes, we finally made it.
Bam.
A nice trip up too.
Right?
Really nice trip up.
12 hours.
Just so everybody knows, I'm Terran. Nice to meet you. Likewise. And that's my husband, Quinton. That's my sister, Therese. That's Brandon back there. All right. That's Derek and Ishmael. Our inventory is organized. Yeah. So on this side, still got a long way to go. We keep our inventory organized.
Many more. Years, orders, customers, all of it.
And same to y'all. So this is all the soap sisters right here.
Soap queens.
Soap queens.
Yes.
Of color, you know, of color. We black soap queens over here. So
that's right.
Thank y'all again for just taking the time to come up here in the rain to come visit us and just stop by. We really appreciate it. We love you guys. We love what you guys have going on as well down there in Florida. So besides everything, this is my favorite soap company right
and
here.
This is my favorite.
We love each other.
Yes,
so.
Yes, it is. It really is.
That's a lot of trash talking.
I'm already dirty. I'm already dirty.
That's a lot of trash talking.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know,
Bring it on.
You know I'm here to talk, man. Hey, look, we had no fuck bring they back to the boy went back inside. We doing bad right now, buddy. We 0-1.
Doing right there. What are you doing? What is that? Is it like a 1-2? I mean,
That's you now. That's you now.
Alright. Get alright. Get them.
Ooh.
Rebound.
Ooh. Oh, they showing up.
Hey, if you come to another, do not move. Do not move. He is losing. It's time. It's time.
It's time for us.
Uncle Sir.
Why you saying defense? You on offense.
Alright, let's go, y'all. Let's go.
Rebound. Alright. Lock him down.
Nice.
Hold on to it.
I
know. I was making layups. Get the rebound. Okay. Yeah. Hey, keep driving it. Hey, don't want to go.
Oh, easy. Easy. 4-4. 4-4.
Hey. Ah, man.
Ooh.
Hey, man.
Hey, I'm media coverage.
Lock him down.
Ooh.
All right.
Gang.
We don't respect it.
W, you win on that. 7-5, feel me? That's my all on that hoe. Dang.
Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, 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 whoa. Neighborhood on the scene, neighborhood on the strip, neighborhood be the name.
It's a wrap? That's it for today?
Let's go out, boys. We got things to do.
We got a game to watch. Good night.
Oh wait, there's a basketball game tonight, right?
Yeah.
What time is that?
9 o'clock.
Boy, be safe.
Hey, do not call me for 12 tomorrow, please.
Everybody here watching the game.
See a shirt, but not a skincare.
Yes, sir. Game 6. Game 6 watch party. Come on, man. One take.
You know the time, I ain't gonna put nobody, they both trash. If Dwayne was in that thing,
that's why they lost, because you was barefooted, man.
for the Miami Heat. Okay,
Look at Serge.
Hey, little boy.
Foul.
Ice on God.
God damn. That's crazy. Crazy.
Little boy, though.
Outside, please.
Who gonna wrap up today's vlog? Who gonna wrap up today's vlog? Go ahead. That's it. What you mean? Give a recap.
4 a.m. So let's say 17 hours later, we're finally about to take a rest.
Okay.
We'll clock in tomorrow, 10 a.m.